Giovanni Allega, Giovanni. Sorry, bros.
Well, you guys are
Sorry, come out.
and use material and something.
What's inside?
Good afternoon, Your Excellency.
Good afternoon.
You came out to exercise your rights, your civic rights.
Yeah, my civic responsibility.
Yes, so what's your reaction to the outcome of your polling unit?
Well, you can see there's a lot of people came out in mass to vote. That's the most important thing. So there's no voter apathy from my own understanding in this my polling unit. And yeah, we had a bit of issue with the card, the biometrics, but we sorted it out at the end of the day. I believe in the structures of INEC. I am part of the legislators that are trying to see how INEC can improve. So the most important thing is to run the race and see what the end of the result will be.
What's around is that before the biometrics materials came here, it took a little while. What is your reaction on this?
Yeah, that is the most disturbing part of it. And we have had some little cases of abnormality, and we want to address it immediately.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.